Milwaukee 8 107 SNS 475 cam install. At this point, we're getting ready to cut the push rods. Everything's getting replaced new with SNS. Gage is about to have fun. It's probably like what happened to AJ's bike. Valve float.
Get it?
There you go.
Yeah, I'm cutting. I'm cutting and plotting. Oh yeah.
This is the second M8 that I've actually seen with damaged camshafts. Both of them under 10,000 miles.
Oh, Gage.
What?
It should be already recording.
You better hope it is. Yeah. Hold on. Let me get in here.
Nasty later. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Little sound clip. Stock cam 107. Milwaukee 8.